and good day. My name is Jürgen Steinmetz from eTurboNews, and this is a breaking news update. For more news updates and shows, please go to youtube.com/travel news group, youtube.com/travel news group. Here's our update.
Israel, significant jump in antibody count after fourth COVID-19 jab. The rise of new COVID-19 mutations, such as the Delta and, most recently, Omicron variants, has reportedly helped to drive down protection offered by the shots, also prompting calls to roll out boosters, with Israel leading the charge as one of the first nations to distribute additional doses. Citing preliminary trial results, Israeli Prime Minister Naftali Bennett announced that a fourth COVID-19 vaccine jab will most likely mean a significant increase in protection against infection, hospitalization and severe symptoms, adding that officials now know with a higher degree of certainty that an extra booster dose will be safe for wider use. During yesterday's press conference at Sheba Medical Center, just east of Tel Aviv, Bennett told reporters that a fourth dose of Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine increased antibody counts by a multiple of 5 for participants in a new Israeli study, suggesting another shot will help to revive waning immunity. We know that a week after administration of a fourth dose, we see a 5-fold increase in the number of antibodies in the vaccinated person, Bennett said. Apparently, this will demonstrate a much higher level of protection than without the fourth dose, both in relation to infection and the spread of the virus and in relation to severe morbidity. The trial began in late December and saw 150 staff members at Sheba Medical Center receive a second booster. Though the staffers had already taken 3 doses of the Pfizer-BioNTech jab, their antibody levels were seen to drop significantly in the 4 months or so since their last boost, in line with other evidence of declining immunity conferred by available vaccines. The rise of new mutations, such as the Delta and, most recently, Omicron variants, has reportedly helped to drive down protection offered by the shots, also prompting calls to roll out boosters, with Israel leading the charge as one of the first nations to distribute additional doses. After its first booster campaign, Israel recently began administering fourth doses to citizens over 60, those with compromised immune systems, and medical workers, implementing the policy even before the latest trial results were in. However, while the fast-spreading Omicron strain has triggered alarm across much of the world as well as a wave of new restrictions, curfew orders and lockdowns, early findings suggest the variant causes milder symptoms than previous mutations. The World Health Organization (WHO) said that evidence could explain a decoupling between rapidly growing daily infection numbers and comparatively low hospitalization and death rates around the globe, even suggesting Omicron could be good news if additional studies confirm those results.
Thank you for listening to our news update. There's more on youtube.com/travel news group, or you can read us, of course, in going to our news portal at eTurboNews.com or travelnews.online.